Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you step by step on how to download Bitget Wallet app in this tutorial. Open the Play Store first. In the search bar at the top, tap Bitget Wallet app. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Now let it download. After the installation is complete, tap on Open. You can now either log in with the email and password that you signed up with, or create a new account by following the instructions. This is the process for logging into your Bitget Wallet account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.